Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel for learning English. Today, we're practicing a topic that will help you talk about your daily routine and everyday activities. We'll explore common phrases and vocabulary to help you describe what you do each day in English. Daily routine. Let's look at basic phrases describing common daily activities, using the present simple tense to talk about things we usually do. Listen and repeat. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I have coffee and toast for breakfast. I have coffee and toast for breakfast. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I study English every day. I study English every day. I have dinner with my family at 8. I have dinner with my family at 8. I go to bed at 11 at night. I go to bed at 11 at night. Tip: notice self-directed actions like I wake up and I go to bed. These describe things we do for ourselves, expressions for talking about time of day. It's important to be able to mention times and parts of the day in English. Listen and repeat. In the morning, I work from home. In the morning, I work from home. At midday, I have lunch with my friends. At midday, I have lunch with my friends. In the afternoon, I exercise. In the afternoon, I exercise. At night, I watch TV before bed. At night, I watch TV before bed. Use expressions like in the morning, in the afternoon, at night, and at midday to organize your day in English. Questions about daily routine. Practicing questions helps you improve your conversational skills. Here are common questions you can ask about daily routines. Listen and repeat. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? What do you do after waking up? What do you do after waking up? Where do you usually have lunch? Where do you usually have lunch? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the afternoon? What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? Tip: try practicing these questions with a partner or in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to respond naturally. Self-directed actions and routines. Self-directed actions are common in describing your daily routine and involve actions we do ourselves or for ourselves. Listen and repeat. I shower before breakfast. I shower before breakfast. I get dressed quickly for work. I get dressed quickly for work. I comb my hair after my shower. I comb my hair after my shower. I brush my teeth after every meal. I brush my teeth after every meal. Tip: some verbs in English like shower, get dressed, comb, or brush can imply we're doing these actions for ourselves. Practice using them in sentences about your routine. Expressions for frequency. In English, we use certain expressions to talk about how often we do our daily activities. Listen and repeat. I always wake up early. I always wake up early. I sometimes go for a morning run. I sometimes go for a morning run. I usually have dinner with my family. I usually have dinner with my family. I never go to bed late. I never go to bed late. Tip: words like always, sometimes, usually, and never help you add details to your routine. Use them to make your sentences more complete. Example conversation: my daily routine. Listen and repeat after me to practice a typical daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. and have toast with coffee for breakfast. Then I shower and get dressed for work. I drive to work and finish around midday. I have lunch at home, and in the afternoon, I exercise at the gym. I have dinner at 8 p.m. And finally, I go to bed at 10. Practice your routine. Now it's your turn. Try describing your own daily routine in English. Write it in the comments or practice with a friend. Remember to use the vocabulary and self-directed actions we discussed today. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.